Hello, my name is Carolina Gonzalez and this is my task. Albert Bandura, Observational Learning or Modeling. Albert Bandura. Bandura suggests observational learning and doing an experiment. He said that his doll was made of plastic and was 1 meter tall. Bandura said that if by observation others, knowledge would be accurate. He said he was preparing the experiment called the Bobo doll. Bandura, Bandura said that children obey their rules. Bandura told us that boys are more aggressive than girls. He said that he believed that children imitate the behavior of children of the same sex. Bandura said that if children watch a calm adult, they will be less violent. He said that they should perform the experiment with children between 3 and 6 years old. He said that in the Bobo doll experiment, the children do not receive any incentive attack the doll. He said that he discovered that the children were only imitating what they observed. He said that girls are less violent. He said that if we learn from the environment, our action will change. Thank you.